Meanwhile, a group of Kenyans has faulted the government over unresolved abduction cases and slow reconstitution of the IEBC. Speaking in Nairobi, the youth from civil society groups said very little has been done by the government to address abduction cases as well.
We've seen very little action coming from government in terms of addressing the abductions that have been happening. In fact, we've seen abductions continuing. I think the only case we've had so far is about the Rex Masai one in court that is ongoing. But there are so many lives lost. There are still people missing. I highlighted the Isiolo 3 who are still missing up to this point. So fellow Kenyans, we cannot continue to deliver our elections under the shadow of electoral manipulation. The integrity of our election is the foundation of our democracy, and we derail its sanctity by disregarding constitutional timelines.
The Kenya we live in today is plagued by systems that reward corruption, divide us along tribal lines, and crush the dreams of the young. We cannot afford to sit back. The price of silence is too high to pay.